Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. And to those of you who are new here, thanks for stopping by. Today, we're diving into the carnivore diet and exploring why some believe it's the closest to the diet of our ancient ancestors, which makes it the optimal diet for most humans. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. The carnivore diet is all about eating animal products exclusively. This means beef, pork, chicken, fish, eggs, and even organ meats are on the menu. But why do some people think this diet mirrors what our ancient ancestors ate? Let's break it down. Reason number 1: evolutionary history. Our ancestors were hunter-gatherers who relied heavily on animal products for survival. They hunted large game and consumed meat, fish, and animal organs, which provided essential nutrients and calories. Evidence from archaeological findings, such as bones with cut marks and tools used for hunting, suggests that meat was a significant part of their diet. Reason number 2: nutrient density. Animal products are incredibly nutrient dense, providing essential vitamins and minerals like B12, iron, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients are crucial for brain development, energy production, and overall health. Our ancestors thrived on these nutrients, which were readily available in the meat they consumed. The high nutrient density of animal products helped them develop strong bodies and sharp minds. Reason number 3: ancestral adaptation. Over thousands of years, our bodies have adapted to digest and utilize animal products efficiently. Our digestive systems are well equipped to break down and absorb nutrients from meat. This adaptation supports the idea that a diet rich in animal products aligns with our biology and evolutionary history, making it an optimal choice for many people. Reason number 4: simplicity and satiety. The carnivore diet is straightforward. You know exactly what to eat and what to avoid. This simplicity can be beneficial for those looking to lose weight or improve their health without the confusion of complex dietary guidelines. Animal products are also highly satiating, meaning they keep you full for longer periods. This can help reduce overall calorie intake and support weight management. Reason number 5: addressing modern health issues. Many chronic diseases, such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease, have been linked to modern dietary patterns high in processed foods and sugars. The carnivore diet eliminates these foods, focusing on whole, nutrient-dense animal products. By returning to a diet similar to what our ancestors ate, proponents argue that we can reduce the risk of these modern health issues and improve our overall well-being. However, it's essential to remember that individual needs and responses to diets can vary. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips. Let us know in the comments your thoughts on the carnivore diet. Until next time, happy eating. Don't forget to check out our other videos and stay tuned for more interesting topics. Bye.